Okay, so continuing from the first video, what we have right here is we multiply across the top, so we got 180 on the top. We multiply across the bottom, so that would be 3.6. And we're going to divide the bottom into the top, and that's where we get our 5 grams. Okay? Yes? 30 degrees centigrade came from the temperature change. I'm glad you asked. Notice the temperature here, the temperature change, is what this number is all about. It's not a temperature, it is a change in temperature. And so when we subtract the 43 from 73, we get a 30. And that's the number that we're using in the calculations. I'm glad you asked that question. That's very good. Okay, now let's go down to our last type. This time we're looking for the change in temperature. Alexis, what am I going to have on top? The joules or the grams degrees centigrade? I'm sorry, the 1.2 joules or the grams degrees centigrade? Yes, why do we have grams degrees centigrade on top? Change in temp. That's what delta means, is change. Okay? So now, when we look at the calculation, we have the same situation as the last one, and notice who was on top before and who was on bottom before. Grams that was on top, or no, we didn't have grams. Grams was on top over here. But the grams now is on the bottom instead of the 30 degrees centigrade, and the joules is on top, the given joules, so that we can cancel joules down here. And so we wind up with this 30 degrees, which is the change in temperature that we would get when we add this many joules to the container. That's how we would get the temperature change there. That many joules, we get that temperature change.